State IPFT AGS Minister Sukla Charan Noatia, State Secretary Sopon Debbarma, and Vice President ex-MLA Prasanto Debbarma went to visit the house of deceased Biswajit Debbarma, Secretary of IMWU of Khorang East Division, who died a few days ago, ran over by an auto. On the last 26th of October, a man named Biswajit Debbarma from Khorang Bachaibari, Chargaria was ran over to death by an auto with number TR06 2777 at Khorang Bachaibari Market. After an accident, he was taken to Khorang Hospital by the locals, but then was referred to Agartala GB Hospital because of a serious health condition. However, Biswajit Debbarma died at Agartala GB Hospital on Sunday. Biswajit Debbarma was the secretary of IPFT Motor Shrombik Union, IWMU. After the incident, Khorang police seized the auto with number TR06 2777 that hit Biswajit Debbarma. State IPFT AGS Minister Sukla Charan Noatia, State Secretary Sopon Debbarma, and Vice President ex-MLA Prasanto Debbarma, President of Khorang East Division Firoz Debbarma, and President of Khorang East Division IMWU Santosh Debbarma went to visit the house of deceased Biswajit Debbarma after they got the news of the incident. State IPFT Secretary Sopon Debbarma asked the government to help the family with all the necessities while giving a condolences to the family.
Jongro Paimani Hinke, Sini Biswajit, Tako Biswajit was Indigenous Motor Workers Union, Secretary of Money Orone, Bono Papu Ko, Asram Barini, Asha Auto Driver, Swang Nangzak, Ratazak, Lama Bono Kotai Kulange, Mia Salsa Sekamo, Teacher, one of the Mazanon Bagi, Chini, Honorable Minister, Anil Lovitomo, IPFT, Vice President, and Chocolate, Pura Sini, Khorang Subdivision, Sini, the Hadong, IPFT, Chantini Bini, Nogo Pai, Kaksama, Jaridaman Osalai, Abon Bagis, Palimanity.
Likewise, IPFT functionaries demanded for the strict punishment for the auto driver that ran over and killed Biswajit Debbarma. Reported by Biplav from Khorang, Chini Khorang.